Oliver, what you doing? What are you doing, Oliver? Are you changing Edwin? Don't get the Desitin on him, Oliver. It's gonna be dirty. Okay. Here. Wash Edwin, Oliver.
Look.
Wash him. Clean his hands. Good job. You want to clean his mouth? Yeah. No. You want to clean his feet? Good job. Okay. Good job. Yeah, clean his feet. Yay! Okay, should we throw away the wipe in the trash can? Okay, let's throw the wipe in the trash can. Good job, Oliver. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Oliver, can you say bye-bye? Oliver. Oliver. Can you say bye-bye?